Hi there, Alex here at mixinglessons.com. In this video, we're going to have a look at what the look-ahead setting does on a compressor. So if on your compressor you have an additional parameter, in addition to the threshold, the ratio, attack, release, and so on, if you have one called look-ahead, we're going to talk about what that does and why it might be useful. Now, compression is a topic that can be a little bit difficult to get your head around when you're first learning to mix music. So I've got a free guide for you that will teach you all about compression. You can get that guide by heading over to mixinglessons.com/free-downloads, and that'll teach you what each of the parameters on a compressor do and how to get different results from a compressor, such as achieving level balance or adding fatness or punch to your tracks. So what does look ahead do? Well, it's kind of as the name suggests. It allows the compressor to sort of see the signal coming before it's arrived. Now, why would this be useful? Well, with some compressors, even at their fastest attack setting, it's still not always fast enough to catch really fast peaks that go through the compressor. And the other problem is that really fast attack times can sometimes sound quite unnatural. So what's actually happening with look ahead is that there are effectively two copies of the signal passing through the compressor. One is the original, and then one is a copy which is delayed by up to about 10 milliseconds. Now what the compressor does is it looks at the original signal to decide when it's going to turn the signal down, but it applies the compression to the delayed copy of the signal. Now you might say, well, won't things sound out of time if it's delayed? It's such a short delay that you can't tell. So the look ahead function allows the compressor to see what's coming and make sure that nothing passes through without being caught by the compressor. And it also means we don't have to use the fastest attack times, which don't always necessarily sound too good. We can use a more appropriate attack time and still be certain that the compressor is going to catch the parts of the signal that need to be turned down. So I hope that's useful. If you've got any questions, please just leave them in the comments and I'll be glad to help you. Don't forget to head over to mixinglessons.com/free-downloads for that free compression cheat sheet. And that also comes bundled with a free cue cheat sheet and a free vocal recording guide as well, which I think you'll find really useful. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.